They'd replace you before your funeral is over. That is the cold, hard truth of the 9 to 5 grind. I spent 20 years as a union electrician, trading my joints and my time for a paycheck, until I realized I was just a battery for someone else's empire. A battery that they could swap out the second my charge ran low. I'm done being a component. It's time to wire your own exit. I am a 20-year journeyman electrician. In the trade, being a journeyman means you've mastered the code. You don't need a foreman breathing down your neck because you know the risks, you know the schematic, and you know how to get the power to the right place the first time. I've applied that same journeyman logic to the digital world. While the gurus are playing games, I've quietly wired a global grid that produces an 85% profit margin across 5 different languages. In the trade, we follow a code because if you don't, things catch fire. I applied that same no-fail code to a digital business so I could stop requesting a life and start wiring one. I built this faceless empire in the gaps of my 9 to 5, and the results are grounded in reality. 750,000 plus views. I hit massive numbers without ever showing my face or being internet famous. I did it in my work boots during my lunch breaks. 85% direct profits. No middleman, no corporate overhead, no more trading hours for dollars. Sovereign freedom. This is where the circuit completes. I am a wife, a mom, and a grandmother. My business quietly speaks 5 languages across the globe, so I can speak the only language that actually matters: family. I'm not just building a business, I'm wiring a legacy that my grandkids can plug into. That's the power of the grid. No boss, no permission, no ceiling. I'm still in my boots, but I no longer answer to a punch clock. I'm here to show you how to move from apprentice to architect of your own life. Enter your email below to gain access to the exact schematic I used to wire my exit. No fluff, no guessing, just the blueprint. Flip the switch. The Chillstar creed. I am grounded in peace. I am reaching for my stars. My light is my own. I am a star, and I will shine bright. I will reach for the sky. I release what was. I embrace what is becoming.